Well, guys, sorry I haven't been making videos for a while, but I haven't been feeling well. I hope it's not, you know what it is, COVID. But right now I am on the griddle cooking or frying or whatever you want to call it. Hamburgers, beef. That's what's for dinner. So, yeah, I don't know. I didn't have much seasoning, so we'll just put that on there. Try something different. And turn her down before she gets a little too wild there. But so that's what I'm doing today. Actually, what I want to do is fry some hamburgers in butter. That's organic butter, and I don't have any buns. So what I want to do is toast some buns and put some cheese on there. And I don't have any bacon, but if I had that, I would have a bacon slash bread burger sandwich. Almost like Culver's Butter Burger, but they don't use this stuff here. I think they just traditional salt. So that's what I'm doing today. Is what now? Almost 12 o'clock today. It is Wednesday, January 26th, and it is actually almost 30 degrees out today. And it was 17 below last night, and it warmed up, and this is from the south, and the wind is really, really cold. I don't know if you heard that, but it's pretty windy, and my garage doors are underneath the house here, and it's so cold when it blows from the south. So Snickers is just sitting there enjoying it. Every time I open it up, she isn't, but I am trying to get some housework done, and Caleb just got back from work because he don't feel well. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's my neighbor's yard. It's just blowing off this thing there. My lens is pretty dirty. I might have to clean it. Tell me what you guys think about this camera, because it's the iPhone, and it does an absolutely good job. The last video I did, it was in 1080p because I did a factory reset on my phone. I forgot my passcode, and it wouldn't let me in. So I had to do a reset, and I forgot to set it back to 4K 60 frames a second. So I did that now. And so that's what I'm basically doing. If something else pops up today, or I could actually show you the aftermath of my hamburger I made. How about I do that?
You want to say hi to everybody, Snickers?
She's so cute. I don't know how to work this phone. How do you work this phone? Okay, it won't let me zoom in. I don't know. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. I forgot to do a video. I ate it up already. This is the second one. The other one was toasted so good. It's got cheese in there and whatever, and ketchup over and mess on my plate. But yeah, I got too hungry and I forgot to do a video. I knew I would. It's just great. But I toasted it lightly on this one, but the other one I toasted really good. But yeah, so that's the finished project of it almost going to my stomach. Mint. Well, nice sunny day today. Hey, Snickers. I'm gonna get tested for COVID today because I don't feel well. I think it'll come back negative, I hope, but we'll find out. I have been feeling well for a week. I have a bad migraine and just don't feel well, and that's why I haven't been doing any videos, because I just been laying at home. And Snickers is just chilling. It looks like my lens is dirty right there. I think it is. It's smeared up, but yeah, I'm just having some coffee right now. Here, help with my sore throat. So that's what I've been doing here. Hopefully I get the feeling better and we'll do some more videos. But as for right now, I haven't felt well. I'm just pretty sickly and not well. So hopefully it can get better. I know everybody's sick around here. It's not all COVID, but you know, people are sick. A lot of crap going around. So, but once I find out what the results are, I will be back in a little bit, and we'll just film my daily life videos until I can get better, and then we'll do some more cold starts. And right now, it is 9 above. It was 31 degrees earlier, and now it's 9 above, and it's supposed to get down to below 0 now. So we're gonna have some nice cold weather for cold starts, aren't we, Snickers? And then Caleb's got our 2008 Honda Accord with the smashed doors. We gave that to him now, so he could drive. He was driving my Avalanche for a while to go to work, but now he can drive that. And then my Ford pickup. I gotta tell you what's wrong with that one right now. Okay, so the problem I keep having is the brakes on the front keep sticking. I replace all calipers, pads, everything. And this side, it just keeps sticking. Let's see if I can turn the light on here. You can kind of see the discoloration, and you can see the brake dust. This side keeps sticking, and it just won't let go. And it's got brand new calipers, pads, and clips, and everything's been all redone. The rotors, everything is new, and it's still doing it. I don't know what the problem is, and it keeps sticking. When you stop at a stop sign, you take off, then it just sits and spins the back wheels, and it won't go. It just sits there, and then you can feel it kind of jumping like that. And I don't know. I spent over $1,000 trying to fix these brakes on this thing, and it's still doing it. So I don't know if there's a hose that's bad, or ABS system, there's no lights. But I greased that too much, but looks like it's leaking some oil or something there. Oh yeah, it does, doesn't it? I wouldn't doubt it's got an oil leak or something here. Let's see, I can't see up there, but it looks like it's leaking oil out of that valley up there, isn't it? Where's the oil filter? What the hell? I'll have to check the oil and see why it looks like that. Maybe it's just water from going through the snow, but I don't know. There's always something with this truck. My Avalanche, you just start up and go, but this Ford, there is always something with this thing. It's just a POS, I think. But it sure cleaned up really nice. We'll check the oil here quick. Well, the brake fluid's good. The engine's good. I don't have any problems with the engine, but I gotta clean that oil as I just changed this one on here. Yeah, I don't know. You can see right on full on oil. Clean oil, I just changed it. So, yeah, I don't know why it looks wet like that. I can't get the light to turn on here for some reason. It's kind of stupid, but huh. I don't know. I'll try it again here. There, finally. See if we can zoom in on the filter down there. It won't let me zoom in for some reason, but it's hard to tell. It looks wet, oily, but I don't know how it could be, because I don't know. That's just weird. Maybe it's coolant leaking. With a Ford? Yeah, probably. Got a new water pump in there. Yeah, this Ford, the water pump is not internal, thank God. The other ones were internal, and they had problems with them. I don't know. It's got oil in it. Who cares? Just run it, send it. If she blows up, she blows up. We'll get a Chevy. Well, right now I'm sitting here waiting at the clinic to get my COVID test. And I've been waiting here for 15 minutes and still waiting. So I'm supposed to shove that up my damn nose. I don't know if I can video it or not. I'll try to when they come here. Hi.
Hello. Here for COVID. Okay. You give me your birth date, Tyler? Okay. Alright, swab inside both your nostrils here.
Ooh.
This side. Okay.
Is that it?
That is it. We'll give you a call.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
Well, that was all it was. We'll see if I will be tested positive. That was simple. Very simple. Ooh. What are you doing here? So I'm gonna wait for a call for my test results back here. Oh, there goes Caleb. Leaving in the black Honda. There he goes. Yeah, going to work. Talk to you in a few. Well, I got my COVID results back. It's negative. Just a bad sinus infection and a bad hairdo. It is actually 6 above. It's actually probably colder than that. I'm gonna head and go get some groceries. What's that? Oh, I don't know. I head and go get groceries and stuff and go from there. So that's kind of how my day's going today. I just got done with work.